Assalamu alaikum and good evening. This is me, Kaisar Runja from Pakistan, participating in training for trusteeship organized by Veer Mantri International Center for Peace Education and Research. Currently, I am in Sri Lanka for attending the training for trusteeship. So today we had an opening ceremony where there were a lot of guests from U.S. Embassy and other guests were there to speak about trusteeship, what is actually trusteeship. So let's have a look what we had today, and it was fun. It's the report, is a blog for first day, and I will be blogging for the upcoming days. Thank you so much.
Towards the betterment of the human condition. Now I had the privilege of observing the problems of the world from many vantage points. I started as a young lawyer in Sri Lanka, and I learned a lot about the domestic legal system, and then I had opportunities for viewing the international legal system. Numerous opportunities which gave me a wonderful view of the problems of the world, and a lot of material for reflection on how this could be achieved.
The American Embassy is very proud to sponsor the conference once again this year. And I offer my congratulations to Judge Weeramantre and his staff at the Weeramantre International Center for Peace Education and Research for organizing this event. Judge Weeramantre and his team are at the forefront of advancing the belief that each individual, regardless of where they're from, is a caretaker and trustee of the environment. And Judge Weeramantre is a valued partner for my embassy in this and other areas. For example, he's part of the Peace Education Coalition that we formed with other Sri Lankan organizations, which contributed substantially to the Ministry of Higher Education's curriculum for its orientation program for incoming university students. So I get this chance to publicly thank Judge Weeramantre for his partnership.
Most important is our relationship to our environment. We are all dependent on our environment. Most of us agree.
Youth activism, the most important thing that recently have come up in the bring changes, learn the government and grow the politics.
of the Department of International Relations of the University of Colombo. And she has various expertise within the larger sphere of peace building, but she is a specialist or known as a conflict analyst, right? So she's a lot of research as well as expertise within the South Asian geopolitical dynamics. And she's here to talk to you on a very interesting topic, which is called the importance of positive contact in creating catalysts for peace. So Dr. Manisha, it's a great pleasure for us to have you here. Please welcome her.
Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. It's a pleasure to see such enthusiastic faces. Some young, quite a lot of them young, but not all of them young. And I consider myself also one of those people who are very, very enthusiastic about peace, peace building, contact. Now, what is contact and how important is it? You are all from 8 or 9 different countries, and a lot of things have been said negatively about contact. There is a you build peoples, and people who are here. You're all people, you're all you. That's why. There are 4 categories, and the beach is.
The biggest concern we have. And the Pakistan to be about insurgency, terrorism, non-defense, crime, corruption of food governance.